How long have you been on HelloTalk?
I think for a year almost. And recently I saw that they added these live streams and voice rooms, and it's awesome. It's really great. And I've already been on your live streams, and you are a very interesting person. It's true, it's true. You wanna listen? I have seen that you gave a lot advice. It's good, and I wanna hear at least one for me, especially personally.
I would say that I need to get to know more about you first so I can provide some advice. But I don't like to be too judgmental, okay? If I see someone or if I feel like they need advice, I try to be gentle. But I don't want to be that guy who just criticizes people and say, I think you should do this. I think you should do that. Everyone has their own life, right, Islam?
Of course, of course. You just have to pick and choose what do you want use in your life or what do you want to miss and don't listen. It's up to you.
Yeah. And what are your goals? Why are you learning English?
At first, I like it and I like to see little improvements, and it's interesting. I talk to them, I understand how they live and how they see this world, and it's interesting. And also, if you know English here in Moscow, and I think it's everywhere, you have more opportunities. You will have more salary, and of course, you can go somewhere, you can move out, and you won't be like, I don't know, person who can't adapt. Yeah, maybe one day I will move somewhere, but at first I have to learn English, and that's why what I'm doing.